This is a Richie Rich dollar from the, I guess the second version of the Money Team. Did the first, what was the first three, I guess? Yeah, well, the secret to pouring resin onto paper, which is not, I guess, not really a secret, I guess, is the Mod Podge. Lots of Mod Podge, layers and layers of Mod Podge. Maybe 3. 2 if you can get it on thick enough, but I don't like to put it on thick because it kind of cakes up if you put it on too thick. So nice regular size layers, and that's basically it. Once you get it down, and then there you go. You can pour as much resin on top of it as you like. But you better make sure you get every inch, centimeter of the paper, because if you don't, that resin will get underneath it and start giving you dark spots is what I'm gonna call it. Look like you put Vaseline on your paper or something. It makes your paper look oily. So as long as you cover it with enough Mod Podge, I've seen people use other glues and stuff, but the clear matte Mod Podge does the trick. It's not cheap. You're gonna have to use a little bit, but it sure does the trick for putting resin on top. But yeah, that's layer 1 on the resin. Nice. See, no oil. Yeah, that's me. I did that. No oils, no Vaseline, no baby oil stains. Lots of Mod Podge. Matte. I don't use the gloss. I don't really need to gloss twice, or at least not, twice with 2 different mediums. Definitely twice with the resin. So yeah. So here we have where, after that, gave it a nice silver and white bath to give it some character. Had to make sure that Richie had some character on his money. And now, give it another coating of resin. Yeah, it's gonna be double. We're gonna get the double shine. If that's even possible. Nice. One of the secrets to pouring really clear resin is letting it sit for a little bit longer than they tell you to on the instructions. On the instructions, they kind of say 5 minutes or so, something like that. But it's usually longer than that if you want to pour clear resin. If you're not totally concerned about that, sometimes you don't have that type of time, the heat gun after the fact, or the fire if you have a blowtorch or whatever, that usually gets that out. Well, here's Richie. I lost the footage to this. When I was making this, I'm sorry. So let's put them together. So now they're together, and here we go. The comics held up under the resin, the paper held right up underneath the resin. Ah, see? Nice. Richie Rich from the Money Team 2.0. Full body Richie Rich. That glitter flake $. Yeah, what is this? How big is this? About, no, it's not about 4 feet across and about 3 feet high. It's on the listing. If you look on the listing, if the listing's still there. Yeah, about 4 feet by 3 feet. Has lights too.